There are two different types of annulments. There is the religious annulment and there is the civil annulment. The religious annulment you would obtain from your clergyman. The civil annulment you would obtain through your attorney. Now, just because you get a divorce doesn't mean you can't get a religious annulment. If you're interested in a religious annulment, you should consult with your clergyman. Now, let me let you in on a secret. At least in New York, there is no difference between an annulment and a divorce. They both give you the same end result. They end your marriage. Many people think that when you get an annulment, marriage records are destroyed. That is not true. Your marriage records will still be on record. Many people think that you could simply annul or cancel a marriage if you've been married for a short period of time. Again, that is not true. If you're married for a day or for 20 years, it's the same thing. You are married. Once you're married, you are married. There are two different types of marriages. There are void and voidable marriages. A void marriage is a marriage that can never be considered legal. For example, a mother cannot marry her son, a father cannot marry his daughter. A voidable marriage is a marriage that would be considered legal except for some other factor. The other factor is usually fraud. If you are tricked into getting married, that is a voidable marriage. For example, if a woman told a man that she was pregnant and she wasn't pregnant, the man could bring an action for annulment. Or if a spouse marries for a green card, the spouse that was tricked could bring an action for annulment based upon that fraud. Most annulments are based upon fraud. In order to annul a marriage, there are strict requirements concerning proof and time deadlines. If you're interested in annulment, consult with an experienced attorney. My name is Jeffrey Peltz. Over the past 25 years, I have helped thousands of clients. If you have a question, call me for a free consultation.